In this video, I discuss the concept of locus and parameter. See, this is xy plane. There is many point in the plane, and any point on the plane can be expressed as x comma y. Suppose the point moves in a path in a systematic way. Suppose these are points. There are infinitely many points. This is x2 comma y2, so on. And the point placed in a systematic way. If we join all the points, we get a path, and this is the locus of the point. This path is locus of the point x1 comma y1. Suppose these are points. There are infinitely many points. This is x2 comma y2, so on. And the point placed in a systematic way. If we join all the points, we get a path, and this is the locus of the point. This path is locus of the point x1 comma y1. Suppose ax plus by plus c equal to 0. For all points x1 y1 and as many points, this satisfies this equation. So this equation is called equation of locus of the point x1 comma y1, and it is equation. So we know x, y, these are variable, a, b, c are fixed number. If x, y dependent on a third variable, then the third variable is called parameter. This is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1. And equation of the line is x plus y equal to 1. Suppose x comma y is any point of the line AB. Suppose x equal to t and y equal to 1 minus t. See, x and y, these are variable dependent on t. So this t is called parameter. If we eliminate the parameter, then we get equation of the locus of the point. Suppose if we remove or eliminate the parameter, we have x equal to t, y equal to 1 minus t. If we put value of t, here is x, that is, put the value of t, that is x, y 1 minus x. So x plus y equal to what? See, we get this equation back. If we take this as a coordinate, that is t comma 1 minus t, this coordinate is t comma 1 minus t. This coordinate is called parametric coordinate. T is parameter.